type X like you would be capable of doing, I'm sure. Oh shit. I think I sneezed on my fucking PS4. Now my PS4 got a cold. I'm not sneezing because I got a cold. I'm sneezing because my mucus is acting up. That's why I'm sneezing. Too many things. Because when the COVID days, the early COVID days, when my mucus act up, I used to cough and sneeze. People look at me like, "Oh shit, he probably got the fucking COVID." I couldn't say I didn't. Shit, he never fucking knew. What the fuck?